Hey everyone, how are you all? Hope you are doing well. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video, I'm going to give you all latest updates from JNTUH, Jawaharlal Nehru Technology University of Hyderabad. The first update is for holidays. Next update, second update is for paper pattern for this coming examinations. And also the third update is for attendance, detention and all these details. All three updates I'm going to cover in this video in detail, so stay tuned for that. And if you're watching the videos without subscribing, so please subscribe and make sure to hit the bell icon so you don't miss any update from JNTUH. So without further ado, let's get into the video. So JNTUH have been released this official notification about attendance detention system and also holidays, declaration of holidays and about paper pattern. So as we know earlier, they have mentioned that 75% of attendance is mandatory to attend any semester end examinations, and also they have declared that clearly declared about paper pattern will be regular. But they have taken back the two notifications of the circular issued by the government of Telangana, wide reference 1 cited, and JNTUH declared holidays from 8th of January 2022 to 16th of January 2022. That is 1 week of time they are giving for Sankranti holidays because Sankranti festival is coming. So from 8th of January to 16th of January, 1 week of holidays they are giving. Officially they have announced in this notification. Next is for, it is hereby informed that the university decided to give exemption from minimum attendance requirement for the present running btech, bpharm, mtech, mpharmacy, mba, mca semester end examination and PharmD and PharmD post baccalaureate year end examination classwork for allowing students for upcoming universities end semester examination. So they have clearly given the notification saying that there will be exemption from minimum attendance for all btech, bpharm, mtech, mpharm, mba, mca and also PharmD and PharmD post baccalaureate this semester and this year. They are giving exemption from minimum attendance. And also the paper pattern, if you see, also looking into the prevailing situation of COVID pandemic, it is decided to continue the question paper pattern followed in COVID pandemic. That is, there will be 8 questions in the question paper and students shall answer any 5 out of them within the time duration of 3 hours. So paper pattern will be 8 questions they are going to give. They'll give 8 questions and in that only you have to write 5 questions. You have to attend 5 questions. Each question carries 15 marks. So that total 75 marks question paper will be there and duration of time will be 3 hours. So in 3 hours you have to write 5 questions, 5 question answers and 1 question carries 15 marks. So they have changed this decision. First they have said that they will be going to put regular pattern that include part A and part B, but now they have clearly declared that this coming semester end examinations will be COVID pattern, that is 8 questions will be there and you have to write only 5 questions and time duration is 3 hours. So these 3 updates, first they have declared the holidays from 8th of January to 16th of January. Next they have given is exemption from minimum attendance for all btech, bpharm, mtech, mpharm, mba, mca, PharmD and PharmD post baccalaureate years examination or semester end examination. And the third update, they have clearly mentioned that paper pattern will be followed in COVID pandemic pattern, that is COVID pattern. 8 questions will be there and you have to write 5 questions. 3 hours of time they are giving. So they have clearly mentioned all these details. That is 3 updates also they have given clearly in this notification. So you can see on screen. So this is the latest update from JNTUH about holidays, minimum attendance and also COVID paper pattern for this coming examination. So hope you guys find this video informative. If you find this video informative, then do like and share with your friends and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And you can also follow us on Instagram, link in the description box. Thank you for watching.